Hey everybody, so this is one of Pennsylvania's things about a car wash with a big chain of gas stations. We are at my very first, and I mean very first, Rutters gas station car wash. Yes, that is a... Oh no, the police are coming to get that Chrysler Pacifica. His punishment is to get blown away. Oh yeah. I'm sorry guys, I'm just kidding with you. But, so it's not gonna be in the best looking condition, but I do, see something that's a little different, is that there are 4 Tech 21 dryers in comparison to 3. So, we are going to go ahead and go get a $16 Ultra Plus car wash at the Rutters car wash. Alright everybody, so guess what this system is? A Coleman Hanna E-Fusion. It is modified by Rutters and it is also my first ever Coleman Hanna E-Fusion. So here we go. One thing for this starts, the other dryers in the other bay may start before these. So I might hear the sirens very soon in the other bay. All right, and yeah, I wasn't able to find a Coleman Hanna E-Fusion with the actual logo of the E-Fusion, but it's really cool still. You know what? It's my first E-Fusion no matter what. So, yeah, common issue, dryers, not the best. Tech 21 is, Wow, they do look nice though. I did really like how the one nozzle moved like that. It's my first time seeing that. Anyways, that'll conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the Rutters in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody.